Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore something truly fascinating, a completely free AI tool that can create historical videos automatically.
Yes, you heard that right. You can now generate stunning historical-style videos with realistic visuals, voiceover, and music, all without any professional video editing skills. Before we begin, let's have a look at the video generated.
As you can see, this looks absolutely amazing. A cinematic, historical short video that feels like it came straight out of a professional studio. In this video, we will learn how to generate these types of AI videos from scratch using completely free tools available online. So stay tuned till the end and let's dive right in.
First, open a web browser and search for ChatGPT. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are inside ChatGPT, it's time to generate some ideas for our video. Type the following prompt. Give me viral YouTube video ideas for historical short videos that can go viral. I will also be providing this prompt in the description of this video so you can simply copy and use it yourself later. ChatGPT will now generate a list of creative and engaging historical video ideas. These can include topics like ancient civilizations, historical battles, famous inventors, or forgotten empires. Once the ideas are generated, copy the one that you find most interesting. Now, we are going to ask ChatGPT to write a video script for that idea. Type another prompt. Write a YouTube short video script based on the idea titled Insert Title. Replace the words Insert Title with the historical idea you have chosen. Hit Generate, and ChatGPT will instantly create a detailed short video script that you can use for your AI video. You can edit the script slightly, if needed, to make it sound more natural or engaging. Once you are satisfied with the script, copy it. Now it's time to generate the voiceover for our script. Open a new browser tab and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the official link to open it. If you are not signed in, log in using your Google account. Once you are inside, click on the option that says Generate Native Speech with Gemini. Now click on Single Speaker Audio. Under Style Instructions, type Narration Style so that the AI voice sounds smooth and storytelling-like, which is perfect for historical videos. In the text box below, paste the video script that you copied from ChatGPT. Next, you can choose from several AI voices available. There are multiple options with different tones and accents. I will select the voice named Zephyr because it sounds clear and professional for narration. Once the settings are ready, click on the Run button. Wait for a few seconds while Google AI Studio generates your audio. Once it's ready, you can preview it.
Julius Caesar wasn't betrayed by an enemy. He was stabbed by his best friend.
If you are happy with the sound, click on the Download button to save the audio file to your computer. Now we have our script and our voiceover ready. It's time to generate the actual AI video. Open a new tab in your browser and search for CapCut. Click on the official CapCut website link. On the home page, you will see two options, Download or Try CapCut Online. Click on Try CapCut Online. It will ask you to log in. You can log in quickly using your Google account. Once logged in, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a menu. Click on AI Tools and then select Free AI Video Maker. Now click on New Project. In the text box, paste the same video script that you used for generating the voiceover. CapCut will automatically divide your script into multiple scenes, making it easier to manage and edit. Now, click on the Scenes option from the side menu, and you can see that CapCut also gives you an option to generate voiceovers directly. However, since we have already created a professional quality voiceover using Google AI Studio, we will skip this part. Next, click on Media and then select Generate AI Media. Here, you can set up the visual style for your video. First, choose the aspect ratio. You can pick either 16:9 for YouTube long-form videos or 9:16 for vertical videos like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. I will select 9:16 since we are creating a short vertical video. Under the Style section, there are multiple themes and filters available. Since we are creating a historical video, I will select the Biblical Style option. This style gives your visuals a vintage, ancient look that perfectly matches historical storytelling. Once done, click on the Continue button. Now, CapCut will start generating the AI visuals and media based on your script. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the script. Once the video is generated, you can preview the results. If you like what you see, you can move to the next step. If not, you can tweak your script slightly or change the style to get a different result. Now, let's adjust the subtitles. Click on Elements, and under the Text section, you'll find several subtitle templates and fonts. Choose anyone that fits your theme. You can also customize the color, animation, and size of your subtitles. Once you're done, click on the Export button. Before exporting, change the resolution to 1080p for better video quality. Finally, click the Export button again to render and download the video. Now that we have our short historical video ready, it's time to add background music that complements the theme. Go to YouTube and search for YouTube Audio Library. This is a free music library provided by YouTube for creators. In the search bar, type The Challenger. It's an epic cinematic track that works beautifully with historical storytelling. Download the audio file directly from the library. Since it's from YouTube's own audio library, you don't have to worry about copyright issues at all. Now we have everything ready: the video, the background music, and the voiceover. It's time to combine them and create the final masterpiece. For that, open the CapCut video editing app. CapCut is completely free and open source, and you can easily download it onto your computer. Once CapCut is open, import your video, the AI-generated voiceover, and the background music. Drag all three into the timeline. You can now adjust the clips, add transitions between scenes, and align the voiceover with the video visuals. Reduce the background music volume slightly so that the narration remains clear and easy to understand. Once your editing is complete, click on Export to render the final video. Wait for a few moments while CapCut processes and exports your video file. And now it's time to check out the video generated.
Julius Caesar wasn't betrayed by an enemy. He was stabbed best friend Marcus Junius Brutus in that single-act storm, but a republic.
As you can see, the result is absolutely stunning. The visuals are cinematic, the narration sounds professional, and the background music perfectly enhances the historical mood. All of this was done completely free using ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, CapCut, and Shotcut. With this method, you can create endless historical videos automatically and share them on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. This is a viral content idea that can help you grow your channel quickly, especially if you focus on storytelling and consistency. So go ahead and try this workflow today. Experiment with different prompts, different voices, and different historical topics to make your videos unique and engaging.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates about free AI tools and video creation tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.